Lag in Blox Fruit Mobile, turning your pirate adventure into a slideshow. Fear not, Buccaneers, because this guide is your treasure map to smoother seas. First, let's dive into Blox Fruit's in-game graphics settings. Open the menu, tap Settings, and then locate the graphics quality slider. Lowering this is the easiest way to boost performance. Start by setting it to the absolute minimum, usually 1 or manual with everything set to low. Next, tweak your phone's display settings. A higher refresh rate can sometimes strain your device. Lower your screen refresh rate. This setting is often found in the display or screen settings of your phone. Battery saving mode can throttle performance. Disable battery saver. It restricts background processes and CPU usage, which can cause lag. Turn it off while playing Blox Fruits. Clear cache regularly. Go to your phone settings, find Blox Fruits in the app list, and clear the cache. This removes temporary files that can slow things down. You can also turn off background app refresh in the settings. After applying these changes, restart your game and test if the lag is reduced. If this has reduced your lag and improved your gameplay experience, then I have achieved my goal. If you chose method to lower graphic quality to fix your lag, like the video. If you love playing Blox Fruit, hit subscribe. If tweaking display resolution speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like. Safe sailing.